What's up, guys? It's Ken with Premier One Exterior Cleaning Solutions. So we got a job here. We're going to be doing a window cleaning. This is one of my return customers, and this is the house we're going to be doing. Pretty big. Here on the side. And what happened was she needed another window cleaning because a bird ran into the back of a window on the back side here. So she wants us to take care of that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of for her. I don't know if you can see it up there. It's like that very first window right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get set up. I was gonna use the water fed pole. I gotta get up there, but I don't think I'm gonna use the water fed pole now. I'm going to just do it traditional, and I'm gonna get at it. Careful not to put too much pressure on the screens. Sometimes they're old and brittle and they crack real easy. You just want to put light pressure on it and run the brush over it. Alright, I don't know how well this is going to show up on video, but them all cleaned.